A big feature of the EzyCourse platform is the marketing and contact section, and I'm going to work through this as an overview for you, and if you watch out for more courses you'll be able to find out more detail about the marketing and contacts features. But very simply, we've got an email system built into the EzyCourse platform. I'm first going to show you email campaigns here, and this is where you can send an email campaign to your entire user base if you want, or you can actually select an audience. For example, you can send it to just people that purchased a particular product. Now, you can either use the freeform text editor to create your email just like that, or you can use pre-built templates. Now, this is either from a selection of templates that are available as standard, but also you can create your own templates. Let's have a look at that just here in the email template section. You can see there's already a number of different templates that you can use, but I could go ahead and either clone one of these and edit it with my own images and text in, or I could create a brand new template for myself as well. Now, when you send out email campaigns, of course, statistics are quite useful. So you've got an email statistics section here that gives you all manner of different reports for different campaigns and that sort of thing. Now, the push notifications section is for EzyCourse customers that have a custom app with EzyCourse. And if you haven't explored that yet, I highly recommend you do, because emails are one way of communicating with your customers, but if you have your own custom app, you can also communicate with them by pushing notifications to their app. A very, very powerful feature indeed. Now, the email automation and sequence feature allows you to create automated email sequences in response to different events. So, for example, when somebody purchases a particular course, you can trigger an email sequence that goes out to them. So maybe you want to do a 7-day induction to the course each day, giving them an email tip of how to make the most out of the course, or you can set all that up with the automation and sequence section. Email white label setting allows you to make sure that any system generated emails are coming from your branded email address, and there's also the ability to tag different customers in different ways as well to segment them in your list. So lots of features in the marketing and contact section. That's an overview for you to help you get started. Do watch out for more courses that go into a lot more detail about that.